I would say when it comes to communication, me there be a meka ye no before the sebi yetiti ofi. Nti ye kasa mu oni panyini kasa na even wo ka asem bia how obeka no o polish no. Eno ho but say abayan wo so yi o polish wa asem se de kra ese ko tare ho. O polish asem se de nya na wo nim de ntira.
Okay.
Ntro akese e odi kire Ghana fo no emere na so se wa wie ne oni mu won se be bosumi ni na president will enjoy ipa the NDC the administration na se Ghana fo gidie wonu mu pa be won se be bosumi miansa bosumi na ni ahwan
so en na ka na honeymoon no
that na Ghana fo abanti na Ghana fo oh ye jeje no so oh munya no wa fe no wa ba sisi no agro no atufam. And the MPP for ye how money say yami adom me meti ya me kan some more record
yeah and the social media
the next day me ye double standard bia now and then say the baba so you be exposed
but honorable who the any different undi will be at a mon kasa man try but you compare with the ya okay any apronye DC any MPP ejitafo bia wo motwefo no wo de asi wo monim emebunu ni bi wo mo nsam wo mo ka no I think say to me ne de entwaye
of course
I was say empinfo no ene wo mo ekasa because kasa bi wo out here ya na enye won eno na ye ka ho asem no but akwakwa say senior Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia na MPP for mu ken de me ni say sa de na ekoso wo social media no mo support
no of course true. Mamenye honest to you. Me MPP nipa. I don't yet brebia na mitie communicators.
Okay.
Me you be out. Sometimes topic be clear or na me say obi social media obi I don't want to listen.
Okay.
Because me feel say me training dey ma me no. Sabe I may disagree with President Mahama. The bed say me bonu din
yes
Mahama. I can say that because I have not been trained for that.
Okay.
Obiani kwanya ye fa so a yetete no. Be ni nyina chi no eno me general secretary e kan sembi. Say enya de a yeso so say ye mrante ne social media ayifo no. They should be abusive and insulting and I mean disrespectful. No, we will not entertain that. Because me se me gina ho na wo kan sembi fa Sebi NDC ni hu a like you don't do that. What you say? But as ye so akoye te say na NDC fu ehu se sa asem no se ye wa ya
I no muso mu ye bi ho
of course na ye ni ha na binu ye kun ba umi ama ye na ka sebi what have go bri woman you do that enye ye ni am na Sam George okasate obokufu adu diti se sebe akufu adu ye wonu ye KG teacher na akufu adu ye KG ni meboa
okay
okudia to ablakwa we have all these things but me as a matter of personal principle what is wrong today is wrong tomorrow
ebia mo na mo take action na mo feel say mo dey
because you tolerant
okay
ye training as MPP said you see ye freedom of speech edi enti niema no bi wo ye mene eduru ba bi a ma me ka sem si de mi kiro madam for kitikiti bi ba wo so afi go na em so ko o so
okay
kitikiti school se ke nursery o se de sa nyum na ye lose election no sa nyum bi aba se honorable wari na me te nyum da
le we ne ngo
bo a great from na ohun mi honorable wari what do I got what do you mean ka say you Nema say hey na say no ma abaro you see ye mu bi sometimes o ka asem bia obetimi aka asem amanatwie be ye MPP before no yetimi mene sansem no be ye nuanu hu ni say on the okutatumi enti unya ye say nko a and to be honest with you there's a intentional strategy say mo kwan no mo kasa will be big time exposed. And Kwanza Obianka assembly budget on one sema me yanche.
Okay.
And Crown Assembly budget, which is a public document. Why should that happen? Yeah, type. Yeah, type. Yeah, communicator. Ajudi.
Okay.
Just to say, yeah, come on, what to? Yeah, my own casa. But democracy, that is not part of democracy. Be able to tolerate. So when the team is idea, go back to the Bible. Bible says, do unto others what you want others to do unto you. And then go back say, "Oh dear, dear, koto dear, neboje." Say, no, we don't practice democracy that way.
Okay.
For me, I will wish to say, you bet me actually ya dwene abra, yen tiam abra yen ni obi atem yen obi hunfi. For me, because o kazana tiam it is what type in capital letters. And chile say o Kenya say,
okay.
What you say? We bet me make you point. Not necessarily say o attack obi. And it's MPP 44 and this is 4 years west. But say them what is wrong is always wrong. But NDC 4 shouldn't think say. They say about me when remember your imagine say they intimidating it won't work. Those intimidation will not work because sometimes you buy and kasa they won't carry no one else repost to. And also, Ghanaians will see. This is why you said. Because Pratt, say none of them there to war. Yeah. I was a Bank of Ghana, MPP type. Then I know defense or them. So people will see how double standard you are, and if you have principles. Because we are principle. Me can say, Abronyan Kodidi, President Mahama Temda. For me, it's uncalled for. But what do you want to say? So what you baby at and I didn't cry. Yeah, I say you try a ball, you try to defend them out. Ball you need in 10 channel. I mean, we don't have to do that. Okay. Democracy is not practiced that way. Because every woman can give birth to stubborn kids. But be able to me a craboni. Beijing quite of us or teteneba. And the mayor who say, I cry away a craboni in a way. And if we are annoyed for what NDC, we can also have same. But the say we have tamed our dogs because MPP ni what can't say more. You know, catch the massa. You see, but our people will rather encourage. Now, say now you want to the acquire or take US or catch President Kufuor. Now, say President Kufuor is lazier. Una be financial actually. Una go jareno.
Okay.
What? And so send it on my man on national security guide. I'm all men in Ghana and Sankoi. Memoir. Yeah. So MPP and this one support to Sir Niama we say no. One support to.
Okay. But so you're more party member or MPP from party member. Kevin Taylor.
Aye, sister. Sister.
And I'm that's
within MPP no. Me can say me starting communication. Me can say. Yeah, communicators do. I don't listen to them.
Oh, more MPP communicators.
I will not listen.
Why?
Because me the say me tie adie it should be something that add knowledge to what I already have.
Okay.
And she say adie bi na say sabi movie kura na me hu ni say me hu substance bi e wo ma. Yeah, I will stop it. And yeah, MPP for NDC, and even there are particular journalists. I don't listen to them. Panels, so I just go off.
Okay.
Because we use Obama Mabon. MPP from region constituency.
Okay.
Polling station, electoral area. So far, internal elections.
Okay.
So far, did be baby back on the whole no it's been very quiet, very peaceful and successful. Okay. About SOMPA okay. Now when you always say party no baby I do no do 4 years we need to go in for election. Okay. Internal now you paying for we know you started a free time I did Kugu no.
Okay.
You take committee no, and then the fundings by now out of the fundings no, we needed to reorganize the party. Until you started police station membership drive. No police station be can say omonye police station meetings na omontro ye members needing oba ne amake oba no ya make e free one and ye dey police station elections no at the bar so the condition was say you should be a member in good standing until police station now person uko dina no wako home meeting within wo membership register no na fe wo ye registered voter e wo ho no nti every one nomination abie uko je wo 10 CDC wo fa 10 CDC a wako je wo nomination forms then the forms no you should be nominated by one person, seconded by two members in good standing. Good standing says what you reduce. Oh, and Cambian in party no party. Now in order say enkofa assembly manu, yes, you should say obi or two presidential primaries no be or qualified to vote. Okay. Provided say onye who say uja party no so yes we idea you don't nti iba bebre ekofa forms ya vetting no baby na eyi kakra ne say ope baby to say police station secretary and as a police station election and research officer I say wo minimum of SS qualification. Okay. Yeah. We say with me sir no. And I hope you so then you shouldn't be more than 40 years by the time you were filing. Because do baby obako baby no be 60 years and so youth organizer. E basa na ho den nimpo mu den na you know e ma party ne hwe no enkoso nti penfo hwe this condition no by. So far betting akoso me baby a regional edimeto ye will be a group be a regional reps. Okay. The regional reps no ye na say ye regional na true national and I any share constituencies be so nti me wo teach my enough. Okay. So far ya to abana baby wo binum ko on post to do na be call on post. It means that nobody contest, only one person opted for that. And we all baby so be any mienu also omo peche chairman and now omo secretary. In that case we have to go ahead and then conduct the election for okay. So far and me team ko di akire kakra say me team no work from ya konena mu na me de ba haye omo guso. Menim say micro man so sa anti nyame adom so far yen shedenya negative media bia wo say ba kumienu bi obi wo there are instances obi wo I can say corner go through udin na udin membership register no wanko be say ya to abana fe na say ne ho aba no so be say ni ba ni nyina no still akwanya wo ho ya to abanu wi a we can still register you as a member. Okay. Baby say na wontimi enya privilege do as a member but ya to we a ubetimi asan akotro. Okay. And maybe my phone lines atomo but honorable maybe sa question e matter say astrotech honorable Harriet Chamatin oye but matisen kofobi akoyi a carpet ni na efiro obi send message meba ho but